Have you ever wanted to record anything you watched on TV, computer, or any device? Now, with ClonerAlliance Box Pro, you can record full HD 1080p videos without PC playback instantly, capture and live gaming moments, capture and record videos to USB storage devices from various video devices, convert analog videos to digital videos, schedule recording at your convenience, take screenshots at JPEG files, provides you more value added features connecting with PC, 4K input is supported output, and recorded videos are in 1080p. So guys, let's open the box and see what's inside. We have ClonerAlliance Box Pro, remote control, HDMI cable, MMI cable, VGA, AV to HDMI cable, micro USB to USB cable, power adapter, and quick guide. hdml-cloner Box Pro is a standalone video capture device and video recorder. It not only keeps all functions of hdml-cloner Box series, but also adds powerful features like multi-format video playback, schedule recording, 4K input, remote control, and more. With various input signal ports, it can help you convert all record videos from HDMI, VGA, VHS, VCR, cam recorder, DSLR, etc. to any digital video format files and keep them forever. Into PC mode, you can input and live gaming videos on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook with third-party software working on Windows. Instantly playback recorded full HD 1080p videos stored on USB flash drive with remote control, external and portable. Hard drives are also supported. All-round digital video converter converts analog and digital video to MP4 files, supports HDMI, VGA, AV composite, and YPBPR component. 4K input is supported. HDMI sync output feature allows you to record favorite videos while watching them. HDMI output and recording are in 1080p, saving videos as MP4 files by using H.264 hardware encoder. Real-time and high speed. With schedule recording, you will never miss out any important moment. Set schedule time and recording frequency, and then hdml-cloner Box Pro will do the rest for you. Capture Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS4, Switch gaming videos and live them on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook is an easier work than before. Third-party software like XSplit, OBS, etc. are required. Internal mic jack allows you to add your own live commentary during the gaming live. Make your live more exciting and interesting. One press button to take a screenshot and save the video moment as picture files. Bundle software hdml-cloner Box Helper and MP4 Cloner can help you record unlimited size video files, convert video formats, edit videos, burn videos to disk, and give you more powerful functions. Record full HD 1080p videos with PC playback instantly. Do you have VHS tapes or video discs to be converted to MP4 digital files, or do you have too many videos file saved on your DVR which need to be freed up? With Cloner Box Pro, just press one button and your favorite videos can be stored on your USB storage device. Capture and live gaming moments. With third-party software such as OBS, XSplit, etc., it allows allows you to capture and live gaming videos from various game consoles to YouTube, Twitch, Zoom, Skype, Facebook instantly. The internal 3.5mm mic jack allows you to add own live commentary during the gaming live. Equipped with 2 inputs, you can quickly switch between video sources, whether gaming console or video devices. If you like the device and you want to buy it, I'm gonna leave an exclusive link right below this video, so there you can get your discount. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the notifications as well, so you never miss a video from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.